3 of them. So this is a little wheelie spot I've been wanting to come take some footage at. This is a concrete road that goes to nowhere. Full throttle! You know, wheelie spots and shit, they're cool and all, but man, I don't know, why do you guys ride wheelies, is the main question. Me, personally, I know I can wheelie. I know I can ride one as long as I want. And it's just gotten to a point to where I don't ride a wheelie unless someone's watching. Unless I'm getting expression out of somebody, I don't ride them for just my enjoyment anymore. I like entertaining people. I like riding by a big group of people, fucking arm waving, and they're just like, what the fuck? See, this usually is a field right here. Now, this coulee right here is usually, it's concrete, so can't even really tell that it's supposed to be a concrete coulee right here. Anyway, just a little sneak peek. You getting in?
Hey, it's cold, dude.
It ain't that cold.
See how fast it goes.
What, you want me to test it out?
We were trying to get into here. See it. Hey, you gotta.
Fuck. Man, this thing's hard to control, bruh. There's my plug. Oh, that's why my shit ain't running.
That's a fly.
They ain't here. Now this is where I got my last ticket. Literally, they had some kids standing right here at this column right here. I pulled out right here and hit a little wheelie right here. And that water high shit.
Another one.
Yeah, bro, I got like pretty big around here. I got a 450 Subie Moto too.
How many times they pulled you over?
Oh, every day.
Dude, I got a motor. I got a beach cruiser with the engine on it. 86 engine on it.
Yeah.
You try to pull me over so many times, I got all the fucking papers.
Yeah. Hey, hit me up on Instagram. See this Holy Family Apartments they had a cops episode where some fucking idiots, this chick drives in here, tries to duck out on these lawns. Ah, what up, bud? Tries to duck out on these lawns and fucking tries to get out of the car like while it was moving. And anyway, car rams into the side of the apartment. I'll try to put a little clip from it right now.
Little pursuit. They pulled into a apartment complex that was arranged in a horseshoe parking lot, one way in, one way out on both sides. Two of my partners plus a patrol officer followed the vehicle in on the entrance side, and I entered the exit to cut them off. Here she comes, here she comes. She's gonna hit the wall. Oh, damn. Get on the ground! Get on the ground now! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Pretty active at night. It's very, very uncommon for us to have two female suspects armed with handguns committing armed robberies from two old gentlemen and then declothing all of them. They were 17 in the state of Louisiana. We do recognize that age to be an adult. I do believe that they will be tried as adults and should be tried as adults.
Turkey neck is a shit. She's scared.
Yeah.
You scared of the camera?
Damn. Get him, Stella.